Hello, my name is Jeanette Corona. I'm a public health student and today I'm going to talk about getting involved in sports and activities to help you be active and productive. Getting exercise is important and we can do that by doing a sport we love to watch and play. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a famous athlete? Most athletes start out just like you and me. They begin training at a young age. Some start out at the very bottom and work hard. With determination and hard work, they become famous and very successful. There's a slightly famous basketball player. Okay, so a really famous basketball player that you might know, LeBron James. He is a pretty awesome basketball player with the title four-time MVP and with a net worth $450 million. No doubt, he is one of the most popular athletes in the US. He is a three-time NBA champion and is also a 15-time All-Star. He is a true champion. LeBron, someone this famous, started out very poor and made millions. With hard work and determination, you can make your dreams come true. What is keeping you from living your dream? Make a plan and stick to it. Pick something you are interested in. Practice hard and train with a friend so you can enjoy being active with a buddy. Ask an older sibling to mentor you and give you tips, and ask them to help you train. Go watch your favorite college team so you can get inspiration from them. One study was released by the Journal of Leadership and Organizational Studies and was reported in Fortune. It is proved that sport players often went on to develop better leadership skills, more confidence, and better team working abilities. Children and adolescents ages 6 through 17 years should do 60 minutes or more of moderate to vigorous physical activity daily. Getting exercise through playing a sport helps the time pass quickly and you are enjoying doing something you love. Let's get up and move and get moving. Play hard and have fun doing it. Don't be afraid to fail. Be proud of yourself for trying and accomplishing something. I want to thank you for listening and don't be afraid to try something new. The resources thriveglobal.com.